What were you trying with, like a bobby pin or something? There we go. Cool. Alright.
Wasn't lying. He told me on the phone he's gonna try himself, so he was trying. Yeah, that is the old school way. You probably would have got it anyway. No.
This is hard because it has spool pins.
And they asked me to rekey it, so I took the screws out. We're gonna take this off. Nice and easy. Okay. I'll do this one-handed for you guys, which is probably a bad idea. Alright. And of course, this came off. That key and spring. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna put this one down. This is a bad idea. Trying to film this one. I just need that, oh, I know where that goes. That's the part he was talking about drilling. This one. The pin. Talking about drilling the pin. Alright, I need that cylinder, which is right here. Oh, need my Phillips back on there. Alright, we're gonna rekey this one. There's a little pin in the back. Then you can turn it. And then this comes off. There's the pin. We'll put that down. Pop out our retaining clip. I do have to pick it again. Probably just shim it this time. Put a shim in. Key blank. Back it up as you are. Getting caught, turned. Our new key.